Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get an OpenAI API key. So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to openai.com, and once you're here on this beautiful page, what you want to do guys, just simple hover over the products tab and you want to click an API login. So you want to go ahead and choose your account. So I'm going to continue with my Gmail here, and I'm going to select my Gmail account here to sign in. Now you'll be taken to this page where you have ChatGPT and API. So go ahead and click on API, and you'll be taken to this page here where you are inside, right, the default project. Now on the left hand side guys, you want to go ahead and click on the API keys. So click on that. And as you can see, if you're doing this for the first time, you will need to create a new secret key. And if not, and you're doing this multiple times, then you know this is where you'll go to find your API key. But as you can see, I don't have an API key yet. So let's go ahead and create one. So here you want to go ahead and give it a test. You want to go ahead and give it a name. I will just simply go ahead and call this test key, for example. And I will leave it at the default project, right? Otherwise, when you create new projects, you will be able to select the project and so forth. So I'm going to simply leave it as that and click on create key. Now, as you can see here, it gives me the key, and I can just simply go ahead and copy that key, and I can use it once I'm ready. Go ahead and click on done. Now, as you can see, this is the API key, so I can always come back here to find those different keys when I need it. And I can always go ahead and create multiple keys when I need to. And I can always go ahead and click create new secret key in the uppermost right hand side to create new keys. And of course, you can always go ahead and copy those keys. So if you want to edit the keys, you can always click on edit, and you can always do whatever you want with the keys. And of course, you can always delete the keys as well. So guys, this is how you can easily go ahead and get an OpenAI API key, and also create one if you so desire. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.